How to create this 3D subscribe button animation. Start by adding your video where you subscribe to your channel. Trim it down to keep only the part you need. Now go to the effects panel, search for player 3 and place it above the clip, not inside it. Set the texture and glow to 0. Add keyframes on size, horizontal, vertical and rotate settings. Move a few frames forward and increase the size and rotation to create that dynamic animation. Adjust the keyframes to speed up or slow down the effect. After a few frames, tweak the horizontal and vertical values if needed. Then reverse the rotation for an extra smooth effect. Now select all the keyframes, apply a preset curve one by one and make it super smooth. To remove those annoying black bars, select both the effect and the clip, right click and create compound clip. Finally add keyframes, increase the scale and you are done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Also follow me on Instagram for more updates and I will see you in the next video. Bye.